ScaleX is a full journey. It's a comprehensive program that would take ambitious startups who are seeking for global expansion to explore more about Saudi Arabia, business culture, about its community, about its economy, to have an informative decision for their expansion plan here in the kingdom.
KAUST and the research park specifically can be seen as a launchpad for these companies. It is seen as a bridge that is able to connect these startups with everything that the university has to offer, whether it's state-of-the-art facilities or access to their faculty or access to the pool of talent, in addition to immersing them with the innovation ecosystem in general.
KAUST ScaleX program is the best program to enter the GCC market, particularly Saudi Arabia, as the cornerstone, because we believe that there was a deep alignment between what we were doing, what the country was looking for, and of course the market opportunity for the size of it.
The reason actually we're here in Kingdom is that the GCC market itself, with Saudi Arabia as the core, is necessary if we want to be an international company. And what we didn't understand was how it fit within 2030, the Vision 2030. We didn't understand that before. Now when you mix our company and what we're doing with the go-to market customers, and KAUST, it was like I mentioned before, I've never seen a better fit.